A big trend right now in the mobile space is smart shopping. Doug Stevens is here with some really cool and innovative apps. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Okay, so the first app we're going to talk about, this is amazing, and it's a little bit like augmented reality.
Yeah, it operates on the same principle, and what we're seeing is we're seeing a lot of now digital information being overlaid onto printed information. So magazine ads, newspaper ads are becoming interactive.
Okay, so you can actually interact with your smartphone by looking at a particular image, and I know you have an image there of a watch, so let's see how it works.
Yeah, exactly. So this is an app called Blippar, and it's an app out of the UK, and essentially all I have to do is aim it at this image, it recognizes the image, and this is an ad for a watch. So it immediately calls up this watch now that I can see in 3D, and I can begin interacting with this ad. And I'll just show you something really cool here. I can actually try this watch on my wrist.
Amazing.
And see if I like it.
Okay.
And that's not all. If I don't like that one, I just shake it and I can see different styles of the same watch.
This is so phenomenal. I mean, it's really taking us into a new world where we're able to try things on virtual items and actually try them on our bodies.
Yeah, and it's taking, what used to be just static ads that really didn't tell me very much, and it's transforming them into experiences.
Can you explain how this works just quickly? Because, we say augmented reality, but there's no QR code. How is it actually functioning in the background?
Yeah, well, usually a QR code has information embedded into it, right? It's a very unique code. And what they're doing in this case is they're actually using image recognition. So they're creating a file that essentially says, the marketer creates a file that says, this image relates to this digital experience. So when the app recognizes that image, and it has to be that exact image, it begins to run that digital information.
Let's take a look at the second app you have here. Now, this is a very simple one.
Yeah, this is really simple, but this is one of those kind of Swiss Army knife apps that everybody should have. We all know kind of the tyranny of loyalty cards, right? Is that we want them, but we don't have room for them in our wallets.
Oh, yes.
Right, so this is a great app. It's called Keyring, and it's dead simple. All I do is I take all those pesky loyalty cards and I simply scan them. Now I have the barcode in there, and all I have to do is select the retailer that matches up with. And in this case, it's my Shoppers Drug Mart Optimum card.
And you don't have to carry the card around anymore.
You do not have to carry the card around anymore, and all I do is select the retailer, and that lines up to that barcode. Now it's stored in here. The only problem with that is that if you're at a pay at the pump or something like
that won't work.
It won't work.
But
anywhere
for
they
anything
scan
else,
it,
it's
it'll
very
work.
useful. If you want to read more about these apps, just head on over to our website at appcentral.ca.